I'm Jen. Today we have a very large mystery box from Cricut. This is the Sparkling Gemstone mystery box. If you're just watching it and this video is just released, quickly run. The link is below. It is an affiliate link at no cost to you, but they are available now. They typically sell out pretty fast, so definitely check it out. It is Cricut Access exclusive. However, if you're not already a member, now is a great time to join. So check out the link below and sign up, and then you can get your very own Sparkling Gemstone mystery box with Cutie. So let's see what's inside. Okay, the box is super big, and let's find out why. Okay. Okay, paper. I like to use this paper in my junk journaling. Of course, I keep a lot of junk for junk journaling. Alright, a Cricut extra large women's t-shirt blank. Compatible with infusible ink, which means it's polyester. Let's see, is it 100% polyester? The higher the polyester, the better the adhesion. 95% polyester. So there you go. Extra large. Next you've got some insert cards. So these are the, I don't know the size, 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, so little squares. Insert cards. Looks like there's some colors in there perfect for Christmas. We have a little Cutie removable mat in the color Peach Melba. Then we have red everyday iron-on. Martha Stewart mixed materials. So this has gilded black tie color, 6-count variable sizes. So there are 3 sheets, 12 by 12 premium textured metallic permanent in copper. Oh, that's pretty. Alright, I gotta look at this. We have to look at how pretty this is. Look at that color. To find something to use that. Permanent premium vinyl. And then we have a white permanent premium vinyl, a black permanent premium vinyl, a permanent premium vinyl in gold, and then this one looks like gold but a little bit lighter. And then let's see if there's a transfer tape. There you go, transfer tape. A lot of times these come with transfer tapes. So let's see what color that is. 3 sheets of metallic, so we've got copper, gold, and platinum. So that lighter one's platinum. 3 sheets of premium vinyl in white, black. 2 sheets in white and black, and 1 in transfer sheet. So there you have those. I love those colors. Next up we have a premium vinyl mixed mosaic Mermaid sampler. I really like that design. What type of things would you put mermaid design on? I love the color though. Let me know in the comment box below what you would use this gorgeous vinyl for. And then we've got the dots. Looks like that one's in silver. And one more sheet. Oh, look at that green. So that is the Mermaid sampler. Then we have a huge 6 by 26 inch acrylic ruler. A compatible edge-to-edge measuring for your extra long projects. Very nice. I like that. Put that down to the side, and then let's check out our Cutie. So she is in the color HollyHock. sounds like a green, but it's not. It is a beautiful purple. Ooh, I love her. So, and that is the HollyHock. She is matte. I do have one. It's just like her, I think. Hang on. Oh, slightly different. Had this one for a while. I don't know the name of her, but it's similar but different. This is HollyHock. So, there you go. So, anyways, let me know what you think of this box. Let me know if you got one in the comment box below, and I don't know, let's create something.